Why are you doubting on what he can do? Uganda, he says you are so little in his sight. Says through, he can use a second. He doesn't need eternity to work over Uganda. And he's saying in this season, Uganda, will you hear me? Will you heed? It is time that you begin to arise as a nation. Aye. He says the embargoes of old have no control again. Enkilons ansilo marute felens. Oh Uganda, hear the Lord. He says it's a new season. Why are you doubting? Barontons ans ila kabagos ailoko bebentu quabrandons uns ibrakatale. He says it's a new season, Uganda. Rupa papantons adelevedons. Viba bombelins uns ila brakibran sansu lemen watatame kabebentons adeli papaponte. What is toward to me, oh Uganda? Can you hear me? Uganda, obey my voice. Obey my voice. I have seen your tears. Uganda, I have seen your tears. I have seen your cries. I have seen the blood. The blood has been echoing. The blood has been crying. Uganda, I remember you in this season. Rukatas, Rekobela, Ambrondon, Suns, Abreli Gababonte. Uganda, hear me. Rosans ins ila fadeli. I speak to your walls, Uganda. I speak to your walls. I see a boldness as a spirit begins to enter the souls of men in Uganda. No more fear. I see bold men rise. Uganda, bold men are rising through you. A mighty nation is growing. A mighty nation is coming through you. I see boldness as a spirit. It begins to enter men from the east. It begins to enter men from the west. It begins to enter men from the north. I see it enters men from the south. Abendo, Santeli, the central of Uganda. That's the place. That's the place. I see. Astaya, Pastaya. Oh, central Uganda. This is the place where the Lord begins to write the story of Uganda again. Our history is being rewritten. Things are being revisited. Oh, central Uganda. Shanikons zins ilibro ula felima radome likobra. I speak to you, central Uganda. Champeno sans ila fadeli. Oh, Nathaniel, I hear you ask, can anything good come out of me? Come out of this land? Ile prosunsi, kibradons azilo. He says the central Uganda, that's the place he begins to work through. Maricom palato, vins abere cobre, suns ibra dadamone, vendons ansuns ila bradis uza leberekada. Central Uganda, hear the voice of the Lord. Let men begin to arise. Central Uganda, hear the voice of the Lord. Central Uganda, hear the voice of the Lord. I see. Central Uganda, hear the voice of the Lord. Hear the voice of the Lord. Hear the voice of the Lord. There is a prophecy over you from old. There is a prophecy over you, Central Uganda, from old. I see this prophecy. It begins to manifest in this season. It begins to manifest. It begins to manifest. Oh, Uganda. Can you hear? Can you hear what the Spirit is speaking over you? Can you hear what the Spirit is speaking even to the church of Uganda? He says the center. That's where he begins to work something. I see a testimony coming as a miracle. Something doubted. Oh, Uganda. Rabababons ans ila fadeli. Mansuns ibradons. Father, I write this story. I join the angels. Oh, the angels over nations. And I write this story. I decree it is done over Uganda. Rankins uns ilibradume. Mendo membila. Kabambo lefens. Brandons ins aila bracabelens. Brandons izwa tatabera. Prendo sus ibrakababonte. Kambembon dandandon zunzendinda dadaga baba concratans inzunzule meria kamprakambu kwa baba bumbila vadadadume lefens ubradali crontens ins ila fradas azins ila katamanote vinkrantens ins unsalamanakai. Uganda, it is done.